Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to boot from a USB drive on your LENOVO ThinkPad X1. To do it, of course, your drive must be bootable, so that's pretty important. Now, shut your device down, and I'd actually recommend doing it with a force shutdown, which means pressing and holding on the power button for long enough that the light on the power button itself goes off. So let's do that. Now, I'm pretty sure it's already shut down right now, and if you want to enter the one-time boot menu to boot from a USB drive, press on the power button, and immediately after releasing it, start repeatedly pressing on F12 key on your keyboard. Now wait a moment until it enters the boot menu, and here you may see your USB HDD. You can see I have it right here. If you don't have your USB HDD listed anywhere, then there's a chance that it may have been either formatted wrongly, you may have not made it bootable, like for example if you want to install Windows. You may want to watch a video on our channel on how to install Windows, but you need to make it bootable. Just copying files won't work. But also, there's a very important thing for some older ThinkPads. USB 3.0 won't work. I mean, USB 3.0 of course works within the system, but sometimes it's not supported for booting off of that drive. So in my case, I have the ThinkPad from 2018, and this one doesn't support booting from USB 3.0. So even though it's detected in the system, of course, I've tried installing Windows off of a 3.0 USB, didn't work, so I had to create a new one with USB 2.0. And USB 2.0 is just the older standard, so the older the USB drive is, the higher chance it has 2.0. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.